When I am talking about the removal of the stain, okay, so we need to first classify stain, which we have already done. That what kind of stain is all about? Is it animal stain? Is a protein based stain? It is a vegetable stain, like that. With the your removal of the stain that is related with the rust. I can show you over here. It is written magic rust. Okay, so that is for the rust process. Second, we are having this. This is related with the coffee stain, wine stain, and other stain related with that. So you can say a kind of a beverage stain generally keep out from this. Third, we are having about this. This is we call magic protein. So as the name suggests, this is related with the clearing of the stain, which are having a protein, stain is over there. Basically, which is related with the meat products. You can say egg kind of a stain, like that. Apart from that, food grains and the blood ones can be removed from there. Then apart from that, we got a curry kind of a stain also, which can be easily removed from this. Then we got this kind of a thing. This is a multi. Okay, so miscellaneous things, miscellaneous stains are over there. Sometimes it happens we are unable to recognize what kind of a stain it is. So that time we are using this. This is a class magic multi 70C2. That's the code. So these are the class magic kit easily available, provided by the Diversity. Okay. Apart from that, what we need to take care when we are working on a stain removal platform. Supposedly, I am in the laundry and I need to work over here, and I am the person, spotter, the person who take out the stain removal. That person we call as a spotter. That is one of the very specialized person, and that person should be very much aware about the use of the chemical. So as a part of your curriculum, I am just demonstrating all this thing to you. So what are the basic things which we need to wear? First thing is like this. There's the safety gloves which we require, because these are the chemical solvents made in the industry. So we can't take the risk of the hand. So maybe your skin is not ready to accept this kind of event, this kind of agents, and there might be a trouble in your skin. So that's the reason we are going to use the gloves. Precautionary measure. Precaution is the first thing which we need to work. Okay, as a spotter, I need to consider that thing in the mind. Second thing is that whenever we receive any kind of generally we do the spotting basically of the linen and as well as the uniform of the uniform also. Supposingly I am the staff and in my uniform there is something, a spot is over there which is not a tea stain, light tea stain we have created. So the magical thing about this Diversity is like that it doesn't harm to any kind of a cloth. Maybe it is of any fabric, so it doesn't harm. So that's the reason we have just used the muslin cloth out over here for the demonstration purpose. So I have made a different kind of a stains out over here, and we are going to apply this Diversity Class magic things out over here in the stains to remove one by one. So I am just making you identify what kind of a stain we have created as a demo practice. This is a coffee stain or tea stain, you can say, for an example. This is a lipstick stain, very common. Okay. This is a stain of you can see this is a stain of the pens which we are using. Okay, ball pen like that, ink pen. So this very common in our shirts. Then we got this kind of a grease curry stain. So this is also very common over here. Okay, whenever we are eating something, so we got a stain this thing in our shirt or something like that. Then finally, but not the least, we are having this kind of a ketchup or the ketchup, Sometimes we are having a mayonnaise, this kind of a stain in our clothes. So these are the few stains, which I have kept over here for the demonstration purpose, so that we can see how to